Yes, amore, this is the group of the tourist people here. Alô, menina, diga alô. Alô. Vocês vão para YouTube. Yeah, this is that group of tourism, guys. Tourists, Brazilian tourists here in Paraíba, Brazil. Guys, look at this beautiful falls. Here, people swimming. Romero there. People swimming. Quente.
Eu vou só até ali e já volto, Lisa. Tá filmando aí, vá filmando.
Tá. Okay, my friend is going to cruise. Look, that's Daniela, my friend. The people is jumping on the water. Ai! Pola, Dani, pola! Ah! Ai! But she's not going to swim. She's just joking. Homero!
Vai passar por cima de mim agora, ó.
Eita!
Aqui, ó.
Now!
Vai.
Now! You want me to jump in another side?
Aqui, ó.
Não, não quero não, meu.
Vou fazer outra foto melhor.
Não, quero!
Essa é melhor. Ó, tá pisando em cima de mim, ó.
That's daddy. That's our friend, Japanese. These guys are swimming, guys. They say they're happy swimming with this water. They're enjoying the water. This, we call her Cachoeiras Falls. Guys, look at this view. Beautiful. We call her Pedra do Altar. Water. Mountain. As pedras. Homero. Hello, Toyota. That's Daddy, my friend, and then the guy Japanese. Say hello, Mel. Hello. That's Homero. Look at there's too much water. This is when they have rain, yeah. This full of water here. This rock here is up in the above of that rock, the water. Once it's raining, it's flooding. One is rain, big rain, too much water. guys, now everyone is preparing to go home. We still have people there swimming, but people now is stop swimming. We're going to prepare to go home now. It's already almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Of course, today's Sunday, our rest day and relax day. Bye bye, amores. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and share my video. And if you're not, if you're new in my video, please subscribe, and I will give you back. Thank you for watching.